there's a little bit of road rage. Happy days. I'm going slightly mad. I'm going slightly mad. It's finally happened. It is what it is. That's all I'm going to say about that. This could be a while. 28th of July. Well, a fantastic thunderstorm last night. I missed quite a bit of it where I got stuck at Paradise Foods and I couldn't really see so much, but when I'd say that, the best place to go is down the beach. Didn't have to water the garden this morning. We're coming to a close by the looks of it. I can see the police car that passed us before. That's good news. And it's controlled traffic by the looks of it, because there's nothing now coming down this side to let us get around it. Hallelujah! Just as long as everybody's alright. I know I keep saying it, but I'd rather be sitting here all day, mate, than making sure no one got badly hurt. Let them do that job. And I mean that, you know. Once we get through this bit, we'll be on my way. Muppet, 12:17. 10 o'clock start this morning. It was 14 hours 35 minutes yesterday. I took my car out. Slowed down to have a look at him. Right, crack on! Weekends, man, honestly. You think it just got a licence off the people on the roads? No. Wow. No way! Some people, I swear, see what I mean? Like these zero brains that get out on the roads at weekends. This is going to take a long time. Problem is I need probably two recovery vehicles, I would imagine, and it's getting them through all this crap. Got local knowledge, like, you know, these little side roads and things like that, you'd be absolutely fine. That is some cloud formation, that, isn't it? Wow, doesn't get much lower than that. What is it being called? Fog. Right, it's got everybody's interest there. See what happens further up. I think I'm storm chasing in an articulated lorry. Alright, that's LD Bathgate done. It's 27 minutes past 3 in the afternoon. Very windy. You can see the trees there. There's been problems with flights in Edinburgh. I think it was more to do with the thunderstorms. I didn't get the whole story, so don't quote us on that. Yeah, 5 minutes away from Tesco's. I'm only running on one charger today. The one on the right hand side isn't working at all. So I'll plug in the sat nav when I need it, and when I don't, I charge my phone. So I've got 20 pallets to drop off here. Let's see if it takes less than 2 hours this time, eh? Let's hope so. Try and make up for a little bit of time. Well, yesterday they were desperate for it. Today they got it. Last night, should I say. Okay. Our booking in time today is 4 PM. It's 3:30 now, so all rather good. just take the next slip road off. So I will catch you at the gate. I hope there's no bug splatterings there on the front of the screen for you. Fantastic turnaround at Tesco's today. You know what Aldi's like, they're bang on. And Tesco's, they've been like overrun, shall we say, of late. Today, 50 minutes, spot on. So I phoned up, the dreaded call, you know, but I mean, to be honest with you, do you know, if you're picking something up around here, like I say, if you're going into Drysdales, that's the easiest job I think, going back. Or maybe East Lothian Produce, because they don't hang around in there. I've not been there for absolutely ages. You've got the dreaded pick up the trays first one, Batman, B-A-K on the back though, B back. So the rundown, if you like are in a bit of a hurry but you want to help out, you know, you Drysdale's trailer shop's the best one, for me anyway. If you're on this side, if you've done the Morrisons and all that lot on the other side, Bells Hill and everything, if the potatoes are ready, at Bartlett's, normally that's a trailer swap, that's quite a good one, then straight down to 74. Today, I mean obviously I had a long day yesterday, 14 and a half. 8 AM start tomorrow. So they just said, and I knew that, you went 8 AM tomorrow, aren't you? And I said, yeah, he went, just get yourself straight back. Just don't bother ringing when you get the team valley, just come back in. So I'm like, alright, are you sure? Yeah, definitely. But maybe, well, if you need anything, ring me then. Just in case. But I do think they've got it covered with drivers today. Well, nice run home. Nothing to worry about. 20 past 8, back in the yard. I could be back in the house for 9:15. We shall see. Just shows you how windy it is when you look at the smoke coming out of that. It is literally horizontal. Getting the odd gust as well, but it's not having anything in the back. It's like, oof. Like, oh, you bugger. I'm not a fan of wind, I'm not going to lie. In fact, I mean, everybody hates fog. But high winds kind of up there with that for me. I have my reasons. Right, I just had a quick cup of coffee there with the cat. He's only got 15 minutes left of his time to get back. So there he is. Just heard him on the phone to his boss. His boss sounds absolutely mint. Big curbs here, big curbs. There's the boy. Oh, I fancy lights. Yes, very nice. Nice little truck that, like a Tonka truck when you were a kid. See you down the hill. 8:42. back in the yard. I've just got to put all my crap together, finish off the paperwork, go in the office for a debrief, and then I can get on my bike and get home. It's a 9 o'clock finish tonight, which is an 11-hour shift. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Should be home for about 9:30. I hope you enjoy the vlog. Catch you all later. Thanks for watching.